So when customers take a pump to the job, they would like to know how long this pump is going to last, whether it is going to break down in the middle of their job.
Our products have to rise to that challenge and compete there. So that means extending maintenance intervals, having more reliable products, products with longer life, everything that can stand up to the harshest conditions and all the punishment that our customers can throw at us. Our consumables and pumps need to be able to withstand that. So that's where Redline Plus came from.
Customers in all operating environments can benefit from the Redline Plus valve and seat. The patent-pending design fits in standard fluid ends that are widely available on the market today. One of the other design criteria given to the engineering team was the valve and seat have to fit in a standard fluid end.
Our new Redline Plus junk rings have a taper on the front, so they're easier to install. After they've been running the field for a while, they typically get stuck in the fluid ends, and we adjust that so that you still get the same alignment in the bore while being able to be easily removed.
Any customer in the fracking or pump down world can benefit from the Redline Plus valve and seat, regardless if you're fracking or just doing pump down. The performance improvements have been outstanding.